Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome back if you guys are not new. My name is Jenny Day and today we're going to be doing a let me get it. Boxycharm unboxing video for you guys. I actually decided to cancel my subscription and just go with Boxycharm because, well, just have them send it to me because I was like wasting $20 every single freaking month and I was like, you know what, I get it for free, so why not just cancel it? So that's exactly what I did. As you guys, if you're here for the unboxing, then obviously you don't care about this, but I am saving for a new purse and for a Disney World trip. So yeah, every dollar counts, okay? So yeah, I only get one box. This box is oddly shaped. Is it just me? Yeah, I think this is weird. This is not like a normal box. It's like almost half of the box. But I'll show you guys what I got in the box, okay? So let's go ahead and do that. So I'll show you guys them in the order that I'm gonna actually use them. I got this Wander Beauty Havana Nights trio, which looks like that. It's 2 blushes and 1 highlighter. The highlighter is a little dark, but I like the color. Let's go ahead and put the highlighter on. It is a little gloomy today in LA because it's rainy, but it's like a really deep gold shade. It's not too light. I would like my highlighters a little bit lighter, but I'll show you guys another one that's like super pretty. I'm going to end up adding another highlighter on top of this, so that's okay. And then the blush, I'm going to go into Havana Nights. The pan is a little small, but it's okay. It's like really good for traveling, I suppose. I'm gonna put this on my cheeks. Gives you a super pretty flush, and you can even mix the shades to get a more like glowy kind of look. So yeah, I just wanted to do that right now, and I think I need a little bit more blush actually. My comforter is gonna get makeup all over it, which it's fine. It'll just get cleaned. Now for my eyes, I'm gonna be using this Protege Palette by Suva Beauty, and it looks like this. So ideally it goes this way. Those are the shades you should use together, and then these are the shades that you should use together. This is a beautiful highlight shade. This is like a creamy, like yellow shade. And then we have this shade called Balance, which looks like that. And then I'm going to swatch the last shade called Conscious, which looks like that. There is quite a bit of fallout with the shimmer shade, which was called Balance, but that's okay. You just pack it on and wipe it off. I'm going to take the shade Cinnamon from this palette. This is the Ace Beauty palette, or Beauty, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to take this brown shade and apply that all in my crease. I'm sorry I haven't been doing Boxycharm unboxings just because I get the box late and I feel, let me zoom you in. I do get the box a little late, well I did before, but I got it late and I just felt like nobody wanted to see it because it was basically the same thing that everyone else got, but I feel like this month it was a lot different. Everybody got different boxes, so I thought it would be cool to post my review if anyone cares. And I also have a link to sign up to Boxycharm if you guys are interested. I got almost all of my friends to sign up because it's just such a good deal. Some of them like makeup, some of them don't, and they just signed up just to gift it, which I think is also really nice. You can also gift the Boxycharm boxes to like a family or friend. I think that would be really cool. So I'm sure there's someone out there who saved all their boxes and are gifting them for the holidays. But I just did a little bit. I actually do want to build up this shade a little, just so it's a little more intense through the lashes, because I like wearing really dramatic lashes. I don't like lashes that are just, you know, like Lily Miami, because those do not flatter my small Asian eyes. So I'm gonna go in a little bit with the Conscious shade, which is this brown shade here, and the palette does feel really nice. It's pretty heavy for what it is, and I like it. It's definitely a lot heavier than the Ace Beauty palette, and the Ace Beauty has a lot more shades in it, so I feel like this brand is already like a really good brand. I feel like I've seen their products before, like a different eyeshadow palette or something. Oh wow, that shade is so creamy. I love that. Wow, I really like that as a darker like outer corner shade. it's just like, it's really, really nice. And then I'm going back into the Ace Beauty palette, and I'm just going to take that crease shade that I was using and just blend it out, because you always need like a lighter transition shade. I think it really helps. Okay, so these are what my eyes are looking like. I think I'm gonna go into the balanced shade. I don't really like shades like this, but I'll just put it on just so you guys can see. I kind of want to use an eyeshadow primer, so let me go get one. So I got an eyeshadow primer. This is the Morphe one. They sent this to me, I don't remember when, but they sent it to me a while ago and I just never got a chance to use it. Wow, it's actually pretty thick. I thought it'd be a little bit thinner, but... So I'm just gonna like tap it over the eyeshadow, because you can use it on top of eyeshadows and you can also use it under. And mine is in the shade Translucent. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the balanced shade on my finger, and I'm just going to tap that right on. Pretty, it's just like, it's honestly just a standard like orange shade, which I'm not mad about, but I feel like I have something like this in my collection already. If you don't have this, I think it'd be a nice addition, but you guys can see it's just like an orange shade. I'm gonna go into the Conscious shade, and I'm going to just build up the outer corner because I want it a little bit darker. Taking the Ace Beauty palette, oh, let me compare them. So I'm gonna compare the shade Myrtle in this palette to the shade Balanced in the palette that I got this month. So let's see. Wow. Oh my god. Can you tell the difference? Like the colors are so freaking similar. So you guys can guess which one is which. I'll wait for you guys to guess. So the top one is the one from the Suva Beauty palette. The bottom one is the one from the Ace Beauty palette, which I think is a lot better and more creamy than this one. This one's a little dry. Yeah, so Ace Beauty definitely takes the cake for this one. I'm gonna take the shade Cinnamon from that palette, and I'm going to run it along my lower lash line. I really like the Ace Beauty palette. Boxycharm sent it to me for PR, I think, and then I reviewed it and my rose shade was wrong, but then they sent me another one in the box, and it ended up being okay, like it was right, so I was okay with that. Okay, so now I'm going to go into the Tact shade, which is the lighter yellow shade. It looks like white on camera, but it's actually like a cream shade. So I'm gonna take that and, oh no, oh my god. No. I wanted to take that and just go like all along the edges, but it's too white for me to do that with that shade. And for reference, I am in the shade 4N2 Spiced Sand in the Estee Lauder foundation, so that's my skin tone. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my eyes. The other two products that I have in the box are lip products, and then I will show you guys the final product, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I did my eyes. I love to do a wing liner and like really full lashes, but I'm going to go ahead and apply some highlight, and oh my god, where is it? I'm gonna apply the highlight from the Protege palette just because it is a little bit lighter, which I do like. So, but I'm gonna go into the shade Era, which is this one right here, and it's a little chunky, so I just went ahead and tapped it off, but this gives me a really nice like foiled kind of look. The other two products that I got in the palette was, well, the first product is this Bodyography Heather Berry lip liner. I will go ahead and swatch it. Wow, it's really dry. I can already feel that just by swatching it, but that is the shade. And then the next product that I got was this Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint. I'll go ahead and take it out. This kind of unicorn color, and oh, I guess this matches the purple theme, like of the eyeshadow palette. That is what it looks like on top of the liner, and then this is what it looks like on its own. I don't really like the applicator, but yeah. And this one is in the shade Insta Famous. For my lips, I'm going to use a different product that was given to us by Boxycharm. It's this Ofa Verona liquid lip. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know how much everything cost. So this Suva Beauty Protege Palette, this one retails for $34, and you can find it on their website, so yeah, $34. This highlighter blush palette from Wander Beauty retails for $26. It's an exclusive Boxycharm launch. So yeah, it's exclusive to Boxycharm, which is what it says. It has like really pretty gold packaging on it. Then the next product was this Tarte Lip Paint. This is like a lip gloss. This one retails for $20. It has sunflower seed wax and mineral pigment coat to soothe and soften the lips. Not a color I would normally go for, but it is pretty. And then the next product was the Bodyography lip liner, which retails for $12, which is crazy because it's not creamy. And LA Girl actually has lip liners at Ulta for $2.99, and I love them. They are my favorite. $2.99, and they're so creamy, so pigmented. I absolutely love LA Girl lip liners. So this one was just quite the miss for me, being that it's $12. That's expensive. It says it has coconut oil and vitamin E in it, which could be beneficial, but like I'm not going to be using it, so I'm not going to get the benefits. The last product that I got is this Cosmetics Activated Charcoal Mask, and that retails for $30. It is going to detoxify your pores from daily grime, and it'll brighten the skin, draw out dirt and impurities from your pores. So this is what the product looks like. I will leave the total box here so you guys can see it. I hope that you guys enjoyed my Boxycharm unboxing. Let me know if you guys like how the eyes turned out and how the face products worked as far as the blush and the highlighter. Highlighter doesn't look too intense, but it's pretty. But yeah, I just wanted to do a very wearable look for you guys today. I hope that you enjoyed. Again, I will have a link to Boxycharm down below if you guys are interested, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!